We have several students who intern at the DeKalb History Center, which is right down the street. It's a walkable internship, and sometimes it's a paid internship. So that's a great opportunity for students at Agnes Scott. And I also often take classes down there to use those archives. We've also had students who have interned and then it turned into a job at StoryCorps Atlanta. And that student has just left StoryCorps to go to graduate school in urban planning at Georgia Tech. And I've taken two students on a field trip to StoryCorps, which is at the Atlanta History Center. We have a student, an alum right now, who is getting her master's at University of West Georgia, and she's at the CDC Museum, and we've had a student intern there in the past. There was a student who interned with an archaeology company in Stone Mountain, and she did the mapping of a historic graveyard. And last year when I taught history in the community, we partnered with Antioch AME Church, which is the oldest Black church in Decatur. It was founded in 1866 by freed people. They now meet in Stone Mountain, but we did a great partnership. It was so much fun. There have been many downsides to the pandemic, but one of the parts that hurt me the deepest was that we were supposed to have Easter service with the church, and we couldn't do it. And that still hurts. We did some of us went for Christmas, but we were all going to go for Easter, and I missed that. So there's lots of partnerships with places you think of as historical, and then places that have a history that we may not necessarily think of as historical.
Yeah, go ahead.
In the sciences, it's really, really, really nice to be in the Atlanta area. And so we have memorandum of understanding that allows students every single year to work with the CDC, which is a really fantastic situation for our students. Having Georgia Tech nearby and Emory and Georgia State, American Cancer Society, there's just the GBI, there's so many opportunities in the sciences. And what we try to do is take advantage of both our small size and the fact that we're in this metropolitan area. So we have students often do research starting at Agnes Scott with the faculty here, and then progress and go out and do research opportunities in the Atlanta area or really around the country. And so you sort of get the best of both worlds with that small class sizes and interaction with faculty in the classroom and research lab, but also these really fantastic opportunities, not just in Atlanta, but around the country.